In this video we'll be looking at how to replace a faulty motor. Now, how do you know the motor's gone? If you turn it you can hear it clicking. I'm not sure if you can hear. But it makes like a clicking noise. And also it doesn't spin. The other ones spin freely. And the one that's gone doesn't spin, but it clicks and doesn't spin very well. Also, enough transmitter, unplug. Okay, it's got two small screws at the bottom. It's only got two. It's very small, so try to lose them. You start by snapping the legs off, basically. It sounds more. We'll start by, there's like a snap connection. If you bend it, it looks like you're going to break it, but you're not, and it snaps off. Do this with all four. Okay. Snaps up. And then you should be able to remove the bottom case. Okay. Notice the motors that are gone. Now, in case you get the wrong one, it might be a good idea to remove the blade, and you've got the right one. Remove the blade that is at fault. So we know to get the right one. It's this one, so remove this blade, and we know then this is the motor we need to take off. It's the black and white wire that goes to these two connections here. So first of all we'll remove the wire and then we'll resolder these connections back on. Like a groove all the way around with the feet push onto. The motor wraps around the plastic connections. Looks like what I'm going to have to do is unsolder it first, pull the wire out, and then pull the motor out this way. And then when we replace it, push the motor in, and follow the wire back around, and then resolder it onto them two connections. I'll show you a close-up picture of what it looks like, and then I'll video it again, putting it back together. let's have a go at putting it in. As I mentioned before, you're going to have to feed it in this way, from this way, and feed the wire through. Okay. It was a tight fit coming out, so let's push it in to the tight fit going in as well. That's it, basically. That's done. Push the wire down and then solder it onto here. What I think I'll do first is solder it on first and push the wire down after. Now the white wire, if I remember, was the positive. Just split these wires. The positive was on this side here. You see the little X there. Okay, so I'll tint the... when you tint the wire, you don't drop solder onto the circuit board, you short it out. Okay, I'll get a metal plate to stop the solder being the table like it already has. Right. Need to tint the wire, put some solder on it. If you can see this. I hope that's enough. Now what we need to do is just put a bit of solder on the end of our soldering iron. And put the white wire to the X. The black wire to the negative. Okay. Just get the magnifying glass, make sure that it has no solder on any of the parts or the circuit board, and then we'll push the wire down and test it. It looks okay. Okay, we'll push the wire down, and then we can test it. Groove in the case. Okay, before we put the secure the top on, we'll just put the battery in, make sure this spins. Put the fade on. Turn on the transmitter, plug in. hopefully this blade will now spin. Which it does. Okay, put the case back on, 2 screws in and the rubber feet, and the end result. Now we can carry on with the camera test. That should have been next, but the camera test will be next. Please subscribe.